Welcome to RenovationX, where innovation meets craftsmanship and your dream interiors become a reality. Step into a world of stunning transformations and breathtaking makeovers. Imagine walking into a home that feels like an art gallery, where every wall tells a story of elegance, vibrancy, and personality. At RenovationX, we specialize in redefining spaces with unmatched expertise, passion, and attention to detail. Every home has its unique charm, and every wall has the potential to become a masterpiece. The right paint isn't just color, it's mood, ambience, and a reflection of your style. Choosing the perfect shades and textures can change the way you feel in your space. Painting might seem simple, but DIY often leads to uneven surfaces, mismatched colors, or finishes that don't last. Dubai's heat and humidity make it even trickier. That's why having professionals like RenovationX handle the job ensures that every detail is perfect and long-lasting. Imagine upgrading your villa, apartment, or workspace. With every brushstroke, your space turns into something extraordinary. Whether it's adding a warm, cozy vibe to a bedroom or giving your living room a modern and spacious look, paint plays a key role. RenovationX brings the expertise to make it all happen effortlessly. From contemporary chic to timeless elegance, we bring your vision to life with precision and style. Paint has the power to transform not only your home but also your emotions. The colors you choose create the atmosphere you want to live in. Cozy, bold, or luxurious. The color palette makes all the difference. In Dubai, 2025 trends include warm neutrals like sandy beige, bold greens, royal blues, and crisp minimalist whites. These colors combined with textures like matte, satin, or high gloss create elegant interiors. Before and after examples show how these choices turn regular homes into designer-inspired spaces. RenovationX works closely with you to select colors that match your personality, lifestyle, and the overall vibe of your home. In Dubai, where style and innovation are everywhere, it's crucial to have the best team for your painting needs. RenovationX's decades of experience make them the go-to experts. Their teams are highly skilled, using premium materials while committing to sustainable practices. The results? Homes that increase in value and reflect their owners' unique personalities. With RenovationX, you're not just getting a service, you're getting a partner dedicated to transforming your home into a sanctuary of beauty and comfort. Your home is your sanctuary. It's a place to be proud of. With the right finishes, it becomes a masterpiece. Painting services by RenovationX don't just transform homes, they elevate them into spaces you'll love every single day. Their attention to detail, commitment to perfection, and creative ideas bring dreams to life. From the first consultation to the final brushstroke, every step is designed to exceed your expectations. Why does the right paint matter? It sets the mood and ambience of your home. Common mistakes with DIY painting include uneven surfaces, poor finishes, and mismatched colors. Dubai's hot and humid climate makes professional expertise essential to ensure durability and style. Whether you're upgrading a villa, an apartment, or a commercial space, every brushstroke counts. With RenovationX, your walls become a canvas of creativity, and your home, a masterpiece. Painting isn't just about adding color, it's about evoking emotions. The right shades can make your space feel cozy, spacious, or luxurious. Discussing trending paint colors in Dubai for 2025. Warm neutrals like sandy beige and taupe, bold accents such as deep emerald greens and royal blues, and minimalist vibes with crisp whites and off-whites. Highlighting the impact of textures, matte for sophistication, satin for a touch of glam, and high gloss for ultramodern interiors. Real-life examples include before and after visuals of homes transformed by RenovationX's painting services. When you choose RenovationX, you're not just hiring painters, you're investing in craftsmanship, precision, and passion. Explaining the step-by-step breakdown of their painting process, consultation to understand the client's vision, expert advice on color selection to match interiors and preferences, surface preparation including filling cracks, smoothing surfaces, and priming, painting with eco-friendly, high-quality paints for a flawless finish, and final inspection to ensure every detail is perfect. Unique services offered include custom murals and wall art, faux finishes for a luxurious touch, and anti-mold and weather-resistant coatings. Every home has a story, and RenovationX loves being a part of it. Let's hear from our satisfied clients. Featuring testimonials from homeowners such as a family upgrading their villa for a modern, chic look, a young couple transforming their apartment into a vibrant space, and a business owner revamping their office to make a lasting impression. Showcasing video clips of RenovationX teams in action, time-lapse of painting projects, and stunning reveals of completed spaces. In a city like Dubai, where style meets innovation, settling for anything less than the best is not an option. Imagine the joy of stepping into a freshly painted room that feels just right. The colors, the textures, and the flawless finish all come together to create an environment that reflects your taste and enhances your lifestyle. RenovationX takes pride in delivering results that not only meet but exceed your expectations. Their dedication to quality and customer satisfaction sets them apart in Dubai's competitive market, highlighting RenovationX's unique selling points such as decades of experience in Dubai's market, skilled teams trained in the latest painting techniques, use of premium paints and tools, commitment to eco-friendly practices, and a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Emphasizing how RenovationX adds value by increasing property value through professional finishes and creating a space that reflects the client's personality and lifestyle. Your home is more than just a building, it's your sanctuary, your pride, your identity. And with the right colors and finishes, it can truly become a masterpiece. Recapping key points such as the transformative power of professional painting, how RenovationX ensures perfection in every project, success stories, and why choosing the right team matters. So, what are you waiting for? Let Dubai's professional painting services by RenovationX turn your dream home into a reality. Reach out to us today for a consultation and take the first step towards transforming your space. Remember, with RenovationX, your vision is just a brushstroke away. Acknowledging the RenovationX team and their role in creating stunning transformations across Dubai. Background music fades out as the video ends with the RenovationX logo and slogan. Thank you for choosing RenovationX to be a part of your interior design journey. Whether you're updating a single piece of furniture or reimagining your entire home, we're here to make your dreams a reality. With our expertise and your creativity, the possibilities are endless. So, take the first step today. Let's create something extraordinary together, a home that not only meets your expectations but exceeds them. Welcome to RenovationX, where your vision becomes our mission, and your home becomes a masterpiece. Visit our luxury showroom in Al Quoz 4, Dubai, to experience our latest home innovations firsthand. Touch the premium materials, test our smart fixtures, and see why Dubai's elite choose RenovationX. Schedule your private consultation today at 0488 28933 or visit renovationx.ae. For daily inspiration, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at RenovationX, where we showcase our latest luxury transformations. Join our prestigious client list and experience the difference that true luxury makes. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.